There is one thing that home buyers often overlook and don't account for at the time of closing. My name is Yashpir Kudal and I am a real estate lawyer at Capital Law. Here's what you need to know about land transfer tax. Land transfer tax is a provincial tax that applies whenever a property changes hands, whether you're buying a home, condo, cottage, or even vacant land. There are a few situations where the amount of land transfer tax that is payable may be reduced or possibly even exempted. The tax is calculated based on the purchase price and location of the property. The more expensive the property is, the more land transfer tax that is payable at the time of closing. For buyers purchasing within the City of Toronto, it is important to know that there is an additional municipal land transfer tax charged on top of the provincial amount. This means that Toronto buyers are paying 2 layers of land transfer tax when purchasing a property. However, there is some good news for first-time home buyers. In Ontario, eligible buyers can receive a land transfer tax rebate of up to $4,000 per transaction, which reduces the amount of land transfer tax payable at the time of closing. Your real estate lawyer will calculate and submit this tax on your behalf at the time of closing, but it is important to know that this amount is paid separately from all other closing costs, so it is crucial to keep this in mind when budgeting for your closing. Even with rebates, land transfer tax remains one of the most overlooked costs in a real estate transaction, especially amongst first-time home buyers. Land transfer tax is a significant cost to account for when purchasing a property, and not being familiar can catch a buyer off guard. If you're thinking about buying a property in Ontario, it is important to account for this expense early, explore whether you qualify for any rebates, and to speak with a real estate lawyer to ensure that you're fully prepared ahead of closing day. If you have a purchase coming up or have any questions about the closing process in the purchase, sale, or refinance of a property, please reach out to our office. Our contact information can be found in our bio.